Hello friends, how are you doing? Today in this video, I would like to tell you how we can form different sentences while we are having a conversation. During a conversation, we have to use different kind of sentences according to the situations. So today in this video, I am going to tell how we can easily form different sentences in different situations. So don't skip this video, watch it till to the end. This video is going to be very important and very useful for you. When we need to form a sentence, at that point, what should we do to form a sentence? To form a sentence, we must follow a structure. The structure is subject plus verb plus object. With the help of this structure, we can form any sentence in any tense. But we need to use different forms of verb in the sentence. So according to the tense, we need to use different forms of verb. And sometimes we need to use different form of V verb in the place of verb and helping verb as well. And if we want to form different sentences in continuous or in perfect, at that time we should use different forms of V verb and helping verb after the subject and the form of the verb. So according to this situation, we can form any sentences in any tenses. So let's try with some example. For example, I went to market yesterday. When I was going to market, suddenly I came across your mother. Look at these three sentences. So first sentence is yesterday I went to market, or I went to market yesterday. Look at this sentence. There is a subject and the second form of a verb and then the object. So I went to market yesterday. What is the next sentence? When I was going to market. When I was going to market. It is a sentence of past continuous. What I use, there is a subject and a verb and the object. So look at the sentence. I was going to market. I is the subject here. Was is a V verb, second form of V verb, and I was going, continuous form of verb. So according to the tense, we just need to use V verb and different forms of verb. So I said I was going to market. When I was going to market, suddenly I came across your mother. I came across your mother. I is the subject here. Came across is a verb. Instead of came across, we can use I met your mother. I met your mother. I is the subject. Met is the second form of verb. And your mother is object. So in a sentence, there must be a subject and a verb and an object. For example, right now I can say she was very hungry. She was very hungry at that time. Look at this sentence. So she was very hungry. She is the subject here. Was is a V verb. So she was very hungry. And that means when I met her at that time, she was very hungry, and she told me that she didn't have any money. And she told me that she didn't have any money. Here she is the subject. She told me. She told is a verb, second form of verb. Me is the object. She told me that she didn't have. I use an auxiliary verb here. She didn't have any money at that time, and she was waiting for her son, and she was waiting for example, you, and she was waiting for you. That means she is the subject. Was waiting, that means past continuous. She was waiting for you. In this way, we can form different sentences in different tenses. For example, if you asked me that, sir, have you sent the letter? Have you sent the letter? You asked me a question. So right now I have to answer you. Then I can answer you that yes, I have already sent the letter. Yes, I have already sent the letter. Yes, I have already sent the letter means the action already completed. Or I can say yes, I have already sent the mail. Yes, she has informed me. Yes, she has informed me. That means the action already completed. So when we have to use this kind of sentences, we should use have and has after the subject and then the third form of the verb. So we need only to use be verb and helping verb after the subject and the form of the verb. In each and every sentence, you get a subject and a verb and an object. The subject may be different according to the situation. In some situations, we have to use gerund form of verb, and sometimes we need to use a noun clause, and according to the situation we have to use different subject in a sentence. Sometimes we use there as a subject and sometimes we use it as a subject. So try to know about it and try to form different sentences according to different situation. Try to tell your past stories. If you practice telling your past stories, then it will be easy for you to form different sentences according to different situations. Always try to form different stories. Always try to speak your past stories about your past accident, so it will help you to form sentences. So in my initial stage, I created many stories and I tried to speak myself. You should also try to form different sentences. You should also try to create different stories. You should also try to speak the story when you are alone at home. So I request you to form different sentences in the same way. Definitely you can easily form any sentence. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get upcoming videos notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.